What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has introduced a brand new application called Samsung Find, which enables us to identify the location of the Samsung Galaxy devices, and we can also share the location of the family members and friends in one single application. Now this is not something new. We had Samsung Find in the SmartThings Find application, and this application is currently available on all the latest Galaxy devices. I got the S22 Ultra here, on the S23 Ultra and S24 Ultra, as well as the Z Fold 5. We have got this application now. However, I did search this on the Note 10 as well, but I could not find this app on Note 10. Maybe on the older devices this application is not made available yet, but on the latest phones we have got Samsung Find available, which you should definitely check out. Now as you can see here, the application was released on 24th January 2024 and the size is about 69.76 MB. And we also have a latest update. In the latest changelog it says supports sharing and finding the locations of family members and friends in the People tab. Share your device with your family members in the Devices tab to help find it if it is lost. Identify the locations of the attached items using a smart tag you registered or a compatible tracker, etc. And share the locations of registered tags with family members or friends in the Items tab. Now this sounds quite interesting. Let me just open this application. As you can see, it's a very simple interface. It's an all new interface we have got. At the bottom we have got People, Devices and Items tab. Let me tap on Devices. You can see all my Galaxy devices, the phones, watch, buds, everything is listed here, and also the location is available right here. Now when I tap on Items tab, you can see we can tap on this plus button to add a Galaxy smart tag here. And you can also directly find the smart tag location right from here. I do not have a smart tag with me right now. Maybe I will purchase it and demonstrate this particular feature in the future. Now let's go back to the People here. As you can see, tap the plus button to add people that can see your location. Now this is more of location sharing, like how we do it on the other applications like WhatsApp or any other third-party applications. We can share our current location with the contact that you can select by tapping on the plus button. The contact is supposed to be on the Galaxy phone, and they also should have the Galaxy account. Now when you have that, you can add that contact here and your live location will be shared from this phone to the contact that you have selected. Now under devices, we'll be able to select a particular device and search the location, the last used location right here on the phone, which is fantastic. Now let me tell you something important here. Let's go back to the application description here. Here it says find your devices or family members' devices in the Devices tab. Find your own devices or a family member's device using the Samsung Find application. Easily find your lost Galaxy phone, tablet, watch, buds or other devices with Samsung Find. Identify your device's location on the map or use a navigation application to get directions to such a location on the map. If the exact location can't be identified, if your device supports the Make Sound feature, you can use it to help find devices that are nearby. And if you lose your phone and find yourself in a situation in which you cannot use the Samsung Find application, find your device through the Samsung Find app of a family member who you have already shared your device with, or find your device directly by logging into samsungfind.samsung.com using a web browser. So if you have lost your phone, you will be able to see your lost phone or the device that you're finding on the Samsung website, or if you have already shared your device with your family member on this application, you will be able to find your device on their phone as well. That is something important to note here. So make sure you share your device with your family members. In case if you lose any of your devices or your phone itself, then you will be able to find it through your family member's phone. That is Samsung Find for you guys. Let me know, what do you think about this application? Was it really needed to remove it from the SmartThings Find and make a separate application? Drop a comment and let me know. I feel yes, it was really needed because SmartThings Find is kind of cluttered, and Samsung Find, a very important feature which needed a separate application. Now you share your thoughts, and also if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button to know your phone better, and give this video a like if you find this video informational. And if you're interested in this wallpaper, I have left a link for that in the description. Go ahead and check it out. I will be doing a speed test between the Galaxy S23 series, the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the Galaxy S24 Ultra, so the video is coming up soon, so stay tuned, and there will be many more videos on the all new One UI 6.1. Stay tuned for that as well. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian, signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.